Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
ChatGPT-5 just dropped, and it's not just smarter, it's like having a full-time business partner that never sleeps. In this video, I'm going to reveal the brand new features inside ChatGPT-5 and show you exactly how people are already making up to $20K per month using it, step by step. Look, I know what you're thinking. Another AI video promising easy money, right? But what I'm about to show you is different. These aren't theoretical strategies or wishful thinking. These are real features that just went live, and I've already seen people banking serious cash with them. Stick with me until the end. I'll give you a ready-to-use blueprint you can start today. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified about future videos. If we've never met, I'm here to help people turn AI tools into profitable online businesses. And let me be completely honest with you. I've built a full-time income using ChatGPT, and GPT-5 just made the game a whole lot easier. I'm not here to waste your time with fluff or theory. I've personally tested every single feature I'm about to show you, and some of the results have honestly blown my mind. The people who understand these tools early are the ones who win big. Here's exactly what we're covering in the next few minutes. First, I'm going to walk you through GPT-5's newest game-changing features that most people don't even know exist yet. Then, I'll show you how to use them to build high-demand offers that clients are desperately looking for. And finally, I'll break down a real $20K per month business model you can literally copy and paste. By the time this video ends, you'll have everything you need to start generating income with AI. No complicated setups, no technical degree required, just proven strategies that work. Let's dive into what makes GPT-5 a complete game-changer. The first feature that caught my attention is what I call Multimodal Mastery. GPT-5 can handle text, images, audio, and video seamlessly, all in one conversation. Think about what this means for a second. You can literally tell GPT-5 to create a complete marketing campaign with written copy, visual concepts, and even audio script ideas, all at the same time. Here's a real example. I asked GPT-5 to create a Facebook ad campaign for a fitness coach. In less than 2 minutes, it generated 5 different ad headlines, described the perfect images to use, suggested background music for video ads, and even created a follow-up email sequence. That's work that used to take hours or cost hundreds of dollars to outsource. But here's where it gets even better. Feature number 2 is RealTime Web Access. GPT-5 can pull live data for trending products, news, and market insights while you're talking to it. Remember the old days when ChatGPT's knowledge was stuck in the past? Those days are over. I tested this by asking GPT-5 to find today's most profitable niches based on current market trends. In under a minute, it analyzed real-time search data, identified 3 emerging markets, and gave me specific product ideas for each one. This is like having a market researcher working for free, 24/7. The third feature is absolutely incredible: memory and personalization. GPT-5 remembers your preferences, your brand voice, and your ongoing projects across conversations. This means you can train it to write ads exactly in your style without having to re-explain everything every single time. I spent about 10 minutes teaching GPT-5 my writing style and business approach. Now every time I ask it to create content, it sounds exactly like me. It's like having a copywriter who knows your voice better than you do. And here's the feature that's going to change everything: automated workflow integration. GPT-5 can connect directly to tools like Shopify, Notion, Google Sheets, and Zapier. This means you can have fully automated content publishing and email campaigns running while you sleep. Picture this. GPT-5 creates a lead magnet, formats it perfectly, uploads it to your website, sets up the email automation, and even schedules social media posts to promote it, all without you touching a single button after the initial setup. Now that you understand what GPT-5 can do, let me show you exactly how to turn these features into a $20K per month business. Step 1. Pick a high-demand service people are already paying for. Don't try to reinvent the wheel here. Focus on services like AI content creation for businesses, ad campaign management, YouTube video production, or AI chatbots set up for companies. These are proven markets where people are spending money right now. Step 2. Use GPT-5 to deliver faster and better than anyone else. Here's the secret sauce. While your competitors are taking a week to deliver results, you can deliver in 24 hours because GPT-5 does the heavy lifting. And when you can deliver faster, you can charge premium prices. Think about it from a business owner's perspective. If they need a complete content strategy and you can deliver it tomorrow while everyone else is saying, "Give me 2 weeks," who do you think they're going to choose? And who do you think they're going to pay more? Step 3. Productize your service into fixed packages. Stop selling your time and start selling solutions. Create packages like a $1,000 basic package, a $3,000 premium package, and a $5,000 complete solution package. Then, upsell ongoing monthly retainers for recurring revenue. This is where the real money is. One-time projects are nice, but recurring revenue is what builds wealth. Get your clients' results with your packages, then offer to manage their ongoing needs for $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Step 4. Land high-paying clients using GPT-5 itself. Use it to write personalized outreach emails, create compelling proposals, and even develop cold calling scripts. I've seen GPT-5 generate a personalized client pitch that would have taken me an hour to write, and it did it in 30 seconds. The key is personalization. Generic emails get ignored. But when GPT-5 researches a prospect's business and crafts a message specifically for them, response rates go through the roof. Step 5. Scale with automation. Once you're making consistent money, outsource the repetitive tasks to GPT-5 or integrate with automation tools. Hire a virtual assistant to manage client communication while you focus on growth and landing bigger deals. This is how you go from working in your business to working on your business. Let me make this real for you with a concrete example. One of my students used GPT-5 to start what he called a TikTok ad agency. He positioned himself as the guy who could create viral TikTok ads for local businesses. His package was simple. $2,000 per month, and he'd create 5 TikTok ads, write the scripts, suggest the visual concepts, and provide performance optimization recommendations. Using GPT-5's multimodal capabilities, he could create all of this content in about 2 hours per client. Within 90 days, he had 10 clients. That's $20,000 per month, working less than 4 hours a day. The best part? His clients were getting incredible results because GPT-5 was analyzing real-time trends and creating content that actually resonated with audiences. I watched him use GPT-5 to create ad copy and video concepts for a local restaurant. The entire process took less than 60 seconds, and the ad ended up getting over 100,000 views in the first week. This isn't some fantasy success story. This is what's possible when you understand how to leverage these new tools properly. You just saw GPT-5's most powerful features and exactly how to turn them into a $20K per month business model. The opportunity is right in front of you, but like all opportunities, it won't last forever. The people who take action in the next few weeks are going to have a massive advantage over those who wait. By the time everyone catches on to these strategies, the early adopters will already be dominating their markets. If you want to learn how to make money selling Go High-Level snapshots, which is another incredible way to monetize your AI skills, click the link below this video. I've put together a complete training that shows you exactly how to build and sell these high-demand business solutions. But here's what I really want you to remember. Don't just watch AI change the world. Be the one getting paid because of it. The tools are here, the strategies are proven, and the market is hungry for these solutions. The only question is, are you going to take action, or are you going to let this opportunity pass you by? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.